Alright, we are back again to talk to you guys about an awesome sale that EKSA is having, along with checking out some of the products that goes on that sale, all in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. In today's video, we have partnered up with EKSA to talk to you guys about an awesome clearance sale they're hosting. We also have all of our links and details located in the description, so make sure to go and check that out. So as you may know, we always like to get on the unboxing table and unbox some products. So let's go check out the 3 products we have and talk to you guys more about this sale. So here's some of the awesome products in this amazing EKSA sale. We have the E3000 gaming headset, the EM500 super light gaming mouse, and the E900 Plus gaming headset. So let's get them out of the box one by one and see what we get. We'll start it off with the E3000. This thing looks awesome. Let's go. Not waste any more time. Right out of the box we have a bag and our paperwork. An adapter as well, that's always great to have. Inside of the bag, it's a nice PU style leather bag. Oh, this thing is sweet. Look at this. Got a headband right here on top with some nice designs on it. A very premium feeling and lightweight. It flexes really nice. The pads feel super awesome. Bendable mic piece and a braided cable. Okay, let's take a look at what's on this cable. Nice branding right there. We have a volume and our mute switch. And of course, I love having these cable ties. So we got a cable tie on the cable, and you can use it 2 different ways. USB with a PC, or you can use it with your Switch, your PlayStation, and Xbox, anything that uses this 3.5 millimeter cable, as well as use it with this adapter and split the signal to your headphone and your microphone. Well, that's everything you get with that one. Now let's hit the super light gaming mouse. Let's see what we have in this box. Pull her on out here. Paperwork right here on top. Then we have the mouse wrapped up nice right here. Oh yeah, this is a very nice feeling mouse, and it is so light. I can see why it is a super light gaming mouse. We've got a button right here on the bottom. Some vent looking stuff right here. That's really cool. So this thing only has 68 grams. We have our side buttons, our nice buttons here, 2 in the center, our scroll wheel, plus it's also a button. A nice braided cable, super soft too. So that's super nice. Super light and super nice. Let's keep this going though and see what we get in the E900 Plus. Looks like we have some paperwork on top with a mic adapter piece. Another PU style leather bag. These bags are really nice too. I like when you get a case or a bag with your gear. That's always super awesome. Wow, now this thing feels real nice. We got a grill style headphone piece. Inside super soft cushions with the letters letting you know which headphone goes on which ear. Branding on the top, that's nice. The plug right here is where the microphone attachment goes, right here. It's also got a braided cable, as well as a box with the branding, with the volume and mute switch. Cable tie, and that is everything you get with the E900 Plus. with bendable headband and line and control. It's multi-platform compatible, so you can use it with the PS4, an Xbox, a Switch, your PC, tablets, mobile devices, and more. It also has a great look with its RGB light and CD grain. 6 colors with RGB breathing light, and it fascinates a nice grain located in the ear cups. But moving on over to the EKSA gaming mouse, the EM500 is a 12,400 DPI super lightweight gaming mouse. Of course, it's got your RGB function, 8 functional buttons, definitely designed for all of your high-end gaming. With the USB port, it really takes your gaming to the next level. Only weighing at 68 grams, it is so lightweight. And not to mention, the soft braided cable will help it be more durable and give you that long-lasting experience that gaming mice should give you. Then we have the EKSA E900 Plus. The E900 gaming headset is a USB gaming headset with 7.1 surround sound without having to use a driver installation. You can just plug it and play it into your computer, PS4, PS5, laptop, and start to enjoy the sound quality. 50mm speakers give you clarity and a punchy bass for a wider soundscape. Not to mention the dual ENC chips and bendable mic makes getting it adjusted for your preference and ease, and coming in clear on the other end, no problem. And with the cool red lights, you definitely get a sweet looking headset to show off in your gaming. But that is just some details on the products that we have. Make sure you check out the links in the description, because there is so many more products that they have on sale. Like the E3D Air Joy coming in white. You can find right now at 40% off. Along with the EM200 in white, which is a RGB gaming mouse. And I have been using the EM200 for a minute now, and it is one of my favorite mice. You can also pick up the H12E, an EKSA headset that's designed for a laptop or USB computer with environmental noise cancellation. The W1 RGB gaming headset stand, which is a must-have for any headset. And one of my favorites, the GT1 Cobra gaming earbuds. These work great with mobile devices, your Nintendo Switch, and more. So that is a huge deal on so many products EKSA is hooking us all up with. So make sure you go check that out. All of our links are in the description below, saving you so much money on this awesome product. We'd also like to give EKSA a huge shout out for partnering up with us to give you this review, as well as give you the details on this sweet sale. Make sure if you found this video helpful to hit that like button and get in the comments letting us know what your favorite product in this video was. As well as let us know if there is a product by EKSA that you like that is not on sale yet. Maybe there's something we can do to get that on sale, just for our community. Well, that is going to wrap it up for this one. Make sure you're subscribed where you should subscribe. Make sure you're following us where you should be following us. And get in the community. Let us know what you think about all these products, these reviews, and some other things that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.